Hi friends, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can boot your USB for installing Windows. So for this, you need to open your browser. In this case, I'm using from Google Chrome. Just open your browser and just write down download, because you need to install this software in your system. So just open this first link, okay, and scroll down and just download this software, small software. So it is around 10 MBs. So once you download it, I have already downloaded this. So once you download it, just open this setup and just insert your USB in your PC as well and click yes. Okay. So make sure to insert your USB into your PC as well. Okay, let me check my USB. Yes, I have my USB. So first of all, let me format this. Okay. Once you insert your USB, then you can open this setup file of this software. Just click yes. And your USB is automatically going to be selected. Like my USB is 32 GB. So then you have to select your ISO file of your operating system, like Windows or Linux or whatever you want to install. So then you have to select from the ISO file from here. Just click on select and just search for your ISO file. Then you can select your ISO file. Like I have Windows 10 and in Windows 11. So I'm going to select Windows 11. Just open this and everything is going to be selected. So then simply you can start it. Just put everything as is default and click OK. Okay. And the booting process is started. It's taking a few times. You have to wait for. Okay, let me pause the recording for this. So the file is copying. It takes a few minutes. So after copying the ISO file, so everything is ready. So then you can start your installing your Windows system. So that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, so please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.